when I saw you people somewhere trying to stand in the shade, it's comfortable to stand in the shade. It's comfortable. But then to stand in the sun, it's difficult. Lot many people chose to undergo whatever troubles they had to face in order to win freedom for India. They chose to stand in the sun. It's not, I'm not blaming you because you chose to stand in the shade. Because of Gandhiji, we have our freedom today. Because of Gandhiji, we have a name for India. That is the fact. The world wants to forget certain people. Today, the world wants to forget some people so that it can be really comfortable. And one such person is Gandhiji. We cannot forget him. I cannot forget. That is the truth of it. I cannot forget. We cannot forget. Today we are here. Gandhiji's statue can be garlanded any day, every day. And let us make Gandhiji our ideal. Let us thank God that He gave us a leader like Gandhiji. भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, महात्मा गांधी की जय, महात्मा गांधी की जय, महात्मा गांधी की जय।